guys, welcome back to our channel. We're back here in Cairns, and unfortunately Brian is not well. He had a light symptoms of flu, and he got tested for COVID the other day and came back negative, which is very good. So this video I'm doing now, I am going to make a lemongrass tea, which I harvested from my garden outside. Apparently they have a lot of rain while we're away, and yeah, which is good because it's watering my plants while we're away, except to the plants inside the house. Some of my plants died anyway. You can hear Brian in the background just keep coughing and coughing. So I probably, because of the aircon maybe, in the car, because of that long distance we did. So I'm just going to show you how to prepare the lemongrass. So after you cleaned, of course, the lemongrass, you don't cut the leaf, which this one I did because this was yesterday. I cut the leaf because it was getting bushy, it was getting really thick. So anyway, let's just focus on this. So what we will do is we will break a little bit there, like that, just to soften it. And of course, by doing that, you also extract the juice from the lemon grass. So you just twist it like that, and because you stick your finger in there, you just poke this leaf inside the hole. We will do this. So it should be like this, see? And then we will do the rest. I got quite a few. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make more so that he can drink this as a tea now and then later on. And it's already just about night time, and he's just keep coughing. And I find this kind of remedy actually better compared to buying a medicine. Do the same thing, and then twist this and then push it through the hole in here. So as you can see, we did the road trip, and it's a very long way. It's nearly 1,700 kilometer just one way. And of course we didn't just go to Brisbane, we went to Macleay Island, and we touched the ferry from Redland Bay. So that's where we went and celebrate Christmas there with his family. So if you haven't seen our vlog, check out my videos, and yeah, check out our road trip from Cairns to Brisbane and back. And first stopover, we stopped over in Gympie, and then we went to Kenilworth, and then we went straight to Macleay Island. And then coming back, we stayed overnight in Brisbane, and then we rent a scooter. So you see here, it's still long, so I'm not gonna throw this away. Just gonna cut that so that it's nice and neat. So what we're going to do, anyway, I'm just going to finish what I said. So we rented out a scooter, 3 hours I think, yeah that's right, 3 hours, and we just ride around the city, the botanic garden, and it was very nice. Check out my vlog, please, check out my vlog. Anyway, so what we're going to do with this lemongrass, you see these guys, that's hard, so you can't squeeze the life out of that. So what we're going to do, so we're going to hit it with this just to soften the lemongrass. So there's a lot of juice in this. lemongrass it over, just use it, because this still got some nutrients. What we'll do, anyway, that'll do. So we got everything in here. So what we're going to do, just gonna arrange it, and then I'm going to put water, just enough to cover the lemongrass, and then I'm just gonna boil it. Already put it in the stove, but it's not boiling yet. So what we're gonna do is we are going to add ginger. Ginger is very, very good for flu or any cold, you know. It's a very good tea. So what I do is just slightly remove the skin of this, and then you just slice it, just to like this, scrape it, just easy to remove. So this has now been boiling for 10 minutes. Let's have a look inside. It looks very good. You can see the water change, slightly darker color, and the ginger, of course, it's cooked. So what we'll do, we're just going to leave that there for now. So we will leave it boiling for now. I already, so it's just simmering. So we just leave it simmering, and I'm just gonna prepare the lemon. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon in it, and of course honey. That's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and give us a like and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.